Hello everyone, how are you doing? So today I'm going to be teaching you how to choose your writing niche and how to also take ideas from trending novels and be able to write your own. So you are going to search for Perplexity AI or any search engine that you are using, and then you click enter. Most of the times you are required to sign in, but I already have an account, so I'll just go to home. And for all the prompts that I'm going to use in this video, I'm going to leave the link. All you have to do is take it and tweak it and use it in the way that you want, like for your own specific needs, so that you get. Make sure to also put on this pro toggle so it can give you recent results. You get. Okay. Alright, so the result to give us is not exactly what we are looking for. So instead of us to write a new prompt, all we have to do is just go and copy that old one and change some things. And so we'll copy it and then paste it, and then looking to find a novel writing novel. So you put novel writing which, then click enter. Then it's going to give you different niches that you can be writing. Now this is for you to go and read the typing, like read through it and check exactly the ones that you like, and then you pick it as your writing, which me, I have picked romantic novels. Now let's go and search for ChatGPT. I believe all of you already have ChatGPT. So now when we enter ChatGPT, what we are going to be doing is that we're going to be searching for top trending novels in our specific niche. So if it's sci-fi, you search for sci-fi novels, but I'm going to leave a prompt, so instead we just use my own prompt and then input whatever niche that use it that you want to read for the trending novels. Alright, so it is giving me different trending novels. So from these trending novels, from the last voice note, I said you should be reading novels that look like novels that are writing the kind of things that you want to write. So I'm going to be taking ideas from these trending novels so that I can write what people would actually want to read. It's not as if I'm trying to copy them word to word. No, I'm just going to copy their style. Not word to word. It's still my idea, but word to word. And I'll make sure to put no copywriting. So it will give me an original idea. I'll leave the prompt so you can just take it. So now it has finished. It's giving me everything. Says amazing. I don't even need to think again. All I need to do is, for the platform that we are going to use, I'll just open it and start writing. The ideas are already here. Note, I'm not going to be using AI to write it because AI is not assured to give you an original story or idea. Now what we're going to tell it to do is to give us the chapters. List out the chapters for us so that when we are writing, you wouldn't have to be thinking, oh, what am I going to write in the next chapter, this and that and all of that. It will already give you all the chapters. Now the color, the chapter 1, everything, it's going to give it to you. All you have to do is pick out the ideas, and then for the next training, because I'll not do it in this video, this one is just to show you how to choose your notes and how to get ideas from trending novels. Okay, so make sure to check for the niches that you like. Make sure to check for the one that you like exactly. It must not be romantic novels, okay? So the next video, I'll see you.